disgusted with lunch. Fucking hell, it's gross.
Are they frozen? No.
What is that? How old are they?
They're not that old.
You bullshitting little
That's
fucker.
2 days old. That's a funny 2 days.
Mozzarella sticks.
And can you see that there? Blood. Blood from where?
From the meat.
Blood from the meat on the mozzarella sticks. Come on, guys. Thank God I didn't have the fucking mozzarella sticks. Look like a blood transfusion going on down there.
You've got raw meat here, cooked meat, salami, blood in there. Fuck, come on, please. Don't do this to yourself, let alone the customers.
What the fuck is that? This fridge is dreadful. Wow. Chicken breast. Oh my God, just dumped in there. Not even taken out the bag, that's how lazy they've become. And the whole fridge is not even chilled, it's warm. There's not a decent temperature on the floor here. What is that? Unbelievable. Pork belly in a carrier bag on the floor. Next to the pork belly, you've got cooked chicken. It's actually hot inside, just festered in there. That's sat next to the pork belly, you've got cooked chicken. Cooked chicken, raw pork. Jesus Christ. What the fuck is that? Some form of...
Fucking delicious.
Chicken. So you've got cooked gyro, cooling down, and you've got cooked meat sat next to raw chicken.
Is that?
In a different tray, sir.
In a different tray.
And on top of cover...
You cannot store cooked meat anywhere near raw meat. Just smell that. Just smell that. Smell that. Fucking smell it.
Yes, I smell it.
Yeah, go on, what's it smell of? Can you tell me what that smells of? Because he's in denial.
It smells like shit.
That is
Disgusting!
Have you any idea how long a jar needs to sit?
Where did you find this?
Where the fuck do you think I found this?
If it's old, we should have just thrown it out. There's no reason to keep
Have
it.
you any idea how many years that needs to be in? All
This
these
is
fucking jars.
8 years.
All these jars and my children's life was stored at the back of the fridge. Just...
This has been 8 years over there.
Disgusting!
disgusting.
Oh my God. Oh,
Shit.
look at the colour of that. It makes me gag.
Shit.
That is veal. Oh, you dirty bastards.
Any idea how bad a slice of veal needs to go that colour? Just smell that.
Disgusting!
What in the fuck is going on?
Shit.
What the fuck is that? That is a fucking joke. What's that?
Molasses.
Molasses?
Yeah, that's been in there since Thanksgiving.
What? It's July. What's that?
Disgusting!
Oh, shit. This is raw pork. That's not my pork that you served to me, is it?
No, that's all the old pork they left there.
That's the old pork. When's this one from? Not Thanksgiving again. Stuff what?
From?
Smell that! What in the fuck is this? Oh my God.
Definitely old.
Definitely old. It's green.
Oh God. What the fuck is that?
Twice baked potato. Thank fuck I missed that one twice. Oh, fuck. So dirty. God, when was that cleaned? Oh my God. What is that? This is 10,000 times worse than I thought it would be. Oh, shit. And crap. Kitchen health hazard.
The project's over. Who rotates the freshness?
That's my staff.
Really? Fuck me. Seriously?
Why throw my lemons like that for? Why are you taking my product
They're
and you're throwing it
moulding
away?
you, pillock.
Okay.
Want to see some more? Stay there. Chicken. Fucking hell! You bullshitting little fucker.
Smell that. My God, that stinks. That's gone off. My God, that's disgusting.
Oh, that is off as well. Salmon. And look, some dirty fuckers picked all the bones out and just left them on the side. What a way to run a fridge.
Fucking delicious.
So the hoarding isn't just wash machines and microwaves, is it?
What the fuck is that?
Oh, shit. Look at the state of this. Dirty, dirty fuckers. This is the dessert start preparation. It's got blood. It's disgusting. And these?
Lamb chops.
And what's this sat in? What is that?
Come on, water.
Yeah, water. And this here? What is that?
Fudge from the mud pie.
Fudge from the mud pie.
Yeah.
That's sat on top of a leg of lamb. That's dripping with blood. You with me? The place is littered with shit. Everywhere you turn. And for me, it was bad enough to see the crap in the dining room. I didn't expect that walk-in to be festering the way it is.
You bullshitting little fucker.
You bullshitting little fucker.
You bullshitting little fucker.
How old is that?
I don't know.
Look at the colour of the chicken. Green and stinking.
Fucking delicious.
Here we were. What is... Yeah, it's fermented. Just smell that. Just smell that. They're not drumsticks. They're crab sticks. Just dumped in here on top of another bag of Alaskan crab. No dates, no labels. My God, it gets worse. Look at it. It's absolutely jam-packed. Chicken after chicken after chicken after chicken after chicken. My big worry is how much chicken does this restaurant really need? I mean, there's just bags of it. And not only that, but the smell is horrific. Chicken after chicken after chicken. Oh, my God. Look at these fillets. I've seen less packs at an army base. It's over 50 packs of meat. And whoever's buying this needs to be fired. Now, what worries me about this is there's one more fridge upstairs. Oh my God. It's never ending. Just when I think I've seen enough, there's more. Oh, dead. Decomposed, soft, dead. Oh, that's the snails. Oof, how? What is that in there? That is a raw dead lobster. That is
Shit. Fucking delicious.
2 hours and
Disgusting!
action.
And you wonder why I don't like your sauce. That is a dead lobster. Why is mayonnaise that colour? I thought that was a jar of mustard. What's the date on this? Sell by 27th of February 2010. Expired 3 years ago. My God. What's that? How old is that? Raw beef and cooked beef. I cannot believe what I'm seeing. As I always say, everything you need to know about a chef is in his fridge. Shrimp. Just stuck there. Sat. Absolutely stinking. Oh my God. Look at that. What in the fuck is that? There's a shrimp hanging down there. That's all mold. Unbelievable. Bloody hell. What a mess.
Now, obviously.
He needs some help. Are you serious?
I'm very serious
You're
about
1 foot away from that shit down there.
which he obviously didn't know.
What is going on here? What's that?
The burritos,
What's that one?
the chicken enchiladas.
Oh, how? Oh my God. What's that?
That was ground beef.
Ground beef. Half of it's fucking fat, you idiot. It's fatter than you. Oh shit. What's that?
The beef.
What the fuck is that?
How? It's like a cement mixer. Are you fucking stupid? Who's controlling this?
I am, chef.
You are. You are a walking disaster. It's disgusting. I wasn't here on Saturday, but what were they expecting? Fucking 10,000 customers for lunch? Paddy, I'm fucking disgusted. Yolanda, that's a joke.
I understand.
You're overstaffed, underworked, shit food. I wouldn't trust you running a bar, let alone a fucking restaurant. You must be out of your tiny mind.
I don't care for the restaurant.
I want to take that out there. I dare you. Take it out there. Go on. Give it to them. Yeah, there you go.
It's with me.
Look at me. Why wouldn't you take it out there?
That's embarrassing.
It's embarrassing. Why are you serving it? You don't fucking care.
Why?
Why? Because you're serving that and trying to charge people money for that. That's why you don't care.
I care for it.
You don't care shit. No fucking way. Fuck. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so sorry, but we're stopping service.
Oh, bloody hell. Oh, when was the last time that was clean? Oh my God, it's so dirty. Oh. Jesus. Oh. Fuck. My goodness me. Mold everywhere. The food, look, just here. There's like mold caked on. This thing hasn't been cleaned for years. Look, it's real mold. It's been here that long. Even the bottle's moldy. The place is a health hazard. Mold is festering, so potentially dangerous in terms of poisoning someone. This place can't stay open. The place is disgusting. Maggots. Oh, infest the maggots. Oh, God. When was the last time I had a really good sort out? Yesterday.
Yes.
You bullshitting little
Underneath
fucker.
here, the amount of mold that's growing. Look. Their hands. That's how you work.
Sometimes, yeah.
Roast beef. Dating back when? It's me defrosting. Again, it's caked in mold. This is outrageous. Look at it. Whoa, fucking hell.
Success. Chef Michel is insisting on reverting back to his old ways, and Gordon has reached his breaking point.
Thank you very much. I think it's great.
Cut the bullshit. You don't care anymore, do you? Get straight to the fucking answer.
No, I'm not cutting no bullshit. I'm
Get
telling you
straight
how
to
it
the
is.
fucking answer.
Okay? All right?
Okay.
All right, good. Your menu is not better than mine. You know?
You're a donkey.
My food been voted best chef in Ventura County.
What?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Don't push the finger.
Let me finish.
Don't push the
You
finger.
put your fucking hands up here. Listen to me. You run a shithole of a kitchen. Fuck yourself.
No.
Okay?
No.
Fuck off. Who the fuck are you to turn around and tell me when you work like a pig? You
Okay.
French pig!
Yeah, you know what?
You lazy pig.
Yeah, big
You're
word.
so full of shit. Open your eyes
Big
and
mouth.
look round.
Big mouth. You're not happy?
I'm fucking happy.
You can get out.
Go on.
You can get out.
Fuck yourself.
You can get out. It's my fucking kitchen.
Yeah, is it? Well, it's your fucking kitchen and clean it, you lazy cunt.
No.
What did I just call out? I don't know, Chef. No, I know you don't know, because you weren't even fucking prepared to listen. No wonder you're struggling. What is he doing? Hey, you, come here. Sorry, Chef. I just watched you wipe your face and then wipe a pan.
Disgusting!
Fucking nose. Where's your cooking cloth? I'll have to get my job. Fuck off, will you? You, pathetic! I don't want any more. I don't want to wait for your shit anymore. I don't want your shit anymore. I don't want you drying your face and then fucking cooking with a cloth. You scummy fucker! Get out!